In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a 100% completed save file in God of War Ragnarok. Check my video description for this save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open the folder, open random number. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK and then go back to app data. Go back to username folder and open the saved games God of War Ragnarok random number. Right click on the blank area in desktop and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup and then drag and drop if a game progress inside this backup folder. Drag and drop the 100% save inside this location. And now start the game. And as you can see, the 100% save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.